Hello all, today I'm gonna show you a new tattoo stencil printer, the Phomemo M08F Plus. The guys over Phomemo reached out to me to give an honest review on this machine, so let's get into it. As soon as you can see here, it's a portable and wireless printer, and I guess the most different aspect compared to other machines, it's the built-in screen, where you can calibrate the printer, see the battery level indicator, making it much more easier to track if you need to charge it or not between sessions. You can also download an app to pair with the printer, and honestly, between 4 printers that I've already used, this is with no doubt the most complete app that I've seen. If you get your Bluetooth ready, it just pairs really quickly and easy, and then you'll have a lot to discover here. Phomemo gives you a library full of already drawn designs and the possibility of creating your designs using AI inside the app. This is something you can do, however, I advise you to create your own, and if you are using AI, at least use it as a base to develop a new design. You also have here a text generator with a huge amount of fonts ready to use, but let's get to what really matters. Let's bring a design into it and let's see what can we do here. You have a lot of filters so it can suit your needs. In this specific case, I've already had a stencil ready to print, however, you can do other operations such as flipping the image, adjusting the contrast, brightness and whatnot. And you can also duplicate the image if you want to print multiple sizes. Inside the box you'll have some thermal paper, and I know that this kind of stuff are minimal, but I really like the perforated edges on both sides. Keeps everything clean without having to use the scissors, and as I said, small stuff, but on a day-to-day basis it really helps. When you finally go to print a stencil, you'll have some different options on how dark you want your stencil to be, and I went with a denser option and also a feature that is patented by them, a anti-wrinkle option that prevents issues caused by the stencil paper folding or wrinkling during printing. At the first try it came out perfectly, no problems at all, so let's try to apply it to some fake skin to see what can we get from this stencil. As you can see here, even on fake skin that is way more trickier to have a stencil placed right, it is just perfect. It got every single detail from the paper, not just the lines, but also the shaded area, which could be more prone to smudging. Now for another test, this time I'll be placing multiple sizes from a simple and thin line design, all this within the Phomemo app, no need to do it on another app, and it came out also perfect. For a third test, this time I'll use something like a realistic image with no line work preparation, directly from photo to stencil to see how it performs. Since this kind of stuff is mainly used on printers with cartridges, to get all the details perfect, let's see how the Phomemo printer handles this challenge. And as you can see, already a neat, perfect to get that realistic approach direct from the photo. You can take your own conclusions, but for me, this is gonna to be my primary printer from now on. And by the way, I'll take this moment to tell you that you will have a link on the description for this stencil printer. It's an affiliate link, so if you buy from there, you will be helping me out as well as you get a nice discount. So if you enjoyed this review, give me a thumbs up and a sub and check this printer because I assure you that will make your life easier. Thank you and see you on the next one.